in fair Verona where we lay our seed. From ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life, whose misadventured piteous overthrows doth with their death bury their parents' strife. The fearful passage of their death marked love, and the continuance of their parents' rage, which, when their children's end naught could remove, is now the 2 hours' traffic of our stage.
A dog of the house of Montague moves me. Hard fools! You know not what you do. Put up your swords. I do but keep the peace. 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 I hate the words. I hate hell. All Montagues. And thee. So stupid. I feel just like a local guy when I'm with the boys. We do what we want. We do what we want. I feel just like a local guy when I'm with the boys. We do what we want. We do what we want. Be my Romeo, yeah. Fucking stupid!